Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites: MCP installed, Copilot enabled, and repo access configured. First, run MCP version to verify the CLI, then sign into GitHub Copilot in your IDE so suggestions can appear. Next, open the target repo and confirm SSH key or token access. This prevents mid-work authentication prompts. Once done, initialize MCP in the repo with MCP in it so project metadata is created. Make sure to commit that initial state so Copilot can work with current project context. You now connect MCP and Copilot, run MCP auth connect, and follow the prompts to grant necessary repo scopes so code generation can reference MCP tasks. Then request Copilot suggestions inline for the function or test you need. Accept or edit snippets and save often so MCP picks up changes. Edit MCP. Config to map task names to file paths and prompt templates so Copilot understands your workflow. Once configured, iterate, invoke Copilot, refine suggestions, and rerun MCP tasks to verify generated code integrates properly. You finish by running the full MCP pipeline with MCP run all to validate generated changes end-to-end. This ensures tests and linters pass. Commit the accepted code and open a PR so reviewers see both MCP task history and Copilot-derived changes. If something goes wrong, re-authenticate. Run MCP auth refresh and verify GitHub token scopes, then restart your editor or the MCP daemon to clear stale caches. If failures persist, inspect logs for missing file paths or prompt mismatches and correct the MCP. Config mappings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.